every good you see on the market, every product you hold in your hand, there is a process unseen. And behind this unseen process is a team of experts making it happen. At camLine, we are a part of that team. For over 30 years, camLine has provided manufacturers worldwide with unique software solutions that cover the entire manufacturing process. camLine develops not just any software, but solutions that connect business processes with manufacturing processes and supports customers in their digital transformation journey. From supply chain to manufacturing, from planning to production execution, camLine offers end-to-end solutions that can be configured to meet the needs of all manufacturers, meeting industry standards such as the ISO 9001 standard. We want to help manufacturers from various industries expand their technological lead, guiding them in their digitalization journey to secure a future competitive position for their production sites. camLine's commitment to drive manufacturing excellence goes beyond providing the right solutions. We understand the importance of adapting to an ever-changing business environment. That is why camLine continues to innovate and strives to be an agile, efficient, and reliable partner in your success story. Headquartered in Petershausen, Germany, camLine has established a strong global presence in the past few decades. Our widespread presence allows us to cater towards customers anywhere around the globe. Let camLine Solutions grant you a digital twin of your production line and empower you with greater transparency and control. By using advanced algorithms to monitor and analyze production data, the software works smarter for you behind the scenes. In turn, it helps identify more opportunities, mitigate risks, and at the same time, frees up additional time and resources for higher-level decision-making. Let software solutions drive manufacturing excellence. Let's chat. Reach out to camLine to learn more.